Welcome, folks. This is Tom O'Brien of TFNN. We go 5 days a week. We go 10 hours a day. We go 24 hours a day on the internet at TFNN.com. Always remember, folks, whatever you think about, you bring about. Whatever you focus on grows. Hope everyone's having a great day, safe day. It's a TGIF, folks. Let's make it a great one. Love coming out of you makes you happy. The whole world can love you, but that is not the love that will make you happy. What will make you happy is to share the love that you have inside of you. That is the love that will make the difference. Market-wise, let's take a look at it out here. We have the Dow Industrials down 92. You get the NASDAQ off 24. S&P's down 7.5. Gold contract down $3, traded at $1,341 an ounce. Silver down 36 cents at $19.75 an ounce. Platinum flat at $1,055. Copper flat at $2.20 a pound. Light sweet crude down $1.70 at $44.63. Notes up 6 ticks, 131.01. Bonds are up 10 ticks, 167.26. Both the notes and the bonds, folks. Bottom line, they continue to set up an ABC structure on the way down. They're bouncing today. They've been higher, lighter volume. It looks like we got an ABC down in the making. King dollar up 4 ticks, trading out at 95.38. King dollar has continued to reject lower price, has lighter volume. King dollar wants to go after that 97.5 area, which is the highs of July. Euro is trading at $1.12, and the yen is at 101.09. Our phone number is 877-927-6648. Give us a call, folks. Want to know what's going on in your world. In the world of the S&Ps, let's take a look at them. This is what we have, folks, okay? You get Fed week. You get, they don't raise the rates. Market goes topside, tries to stay topside. Guess what? Right now in the S&P and in the Dow, you get a failure on price, failure on volume, all of the above. The S&Ps and the Dow Industrials cannot handle the gap down from the 9th. What does that set up? That sets up lower prices coming into next week. Right now, we got the SPY trading at 216.34. Next stop is going to be 212.31. That's the SPY. We go over to the Dow Industrials. You're going to see the Dow Industrials also set up exact same way. They get into the gap, couldn't handle the gap, closes underneath the gap, all of the above. Dow right now is at 18,294. What you can expect, that run's going to be down to somewhere about the 17,900 mark. Now, NDX 100 and the composite, they're still over the highs. That being said, bottom line, Monday morning, we very well may not be over those highs. Why? Because it's teetering, and it's teetering in a huge way. So the SPY, the Qs, folks, are $118.48. And the number we're talking is $118.12. You get underneath that again, false break topside, see ya, don't want to be ya, all of the above. The small caps broke topside. The difference in the small caps breaking topside, and they failed today anyway, just where we are. But that wasn't the highs in the small caps. The small caps high was last June. Okay, the Russell topped out at 12,000. What's that? 12,095. And now the Russell's also going to fail on price, on volume. Gold contract. What do we have with gold? Gold contract, really a sideways move out here today. The intriguing thing about the gold contract is this. So when gold came off its highs, folks, going all the way back to July 8th, bottom line, you fast furious from 1378 to 1334. You get back up again, fast and furious again on August 5th, 1371 to 1340. Fast and furious again, the 19th of August, 1357 to 1342. Then what ends up happening is that you get an aspect that we make a beautiful run last week. And what ended up happening is that gold couldn't get to the swing point. On September 6th, gold goes from a price point of 1325 to 1357. Has the wide price spread, has the accelerated volume, doesn't make a swing, however, and then gives it up in spades. Well, guess what? We just did the exact same thing on Fed Day. And what you're going to see here, each and every one of these, you have lower tops, You have more selling. And bottom line, my take, gold wants to get down to this 1259. If you go over to the XAU and the HUI, it's about as deviant as you can get. In both cases, what you're going to see, it's given up everything. We gave it up. We gave everything up 2 weeks ago. We went to 101.75, and this week you got to 101.76, and we're at 95. It's an ABC down. That's my take. Is an ABC down. That's how this is shaking out. And the gold market is the best at being deviant, folks. The gold bugs index, 234, same type of setup. And my take on this, that the run was so extraordinary from January through June and July that this wants to do at least a 50% retracement. And I suspect that's what we're going to get. We've been really at the same place now for 4 weeks. Bonds. So you'll take a look at the bond market we have with the bond market. And the kicker here, this is what the kicker is, too, on the way, folks, if you're in that metals market, is that it's not even that the gold contract got hit. That's the bottom line. What you have is that you have sellers inside the equities, because the metals itself hasn't got hit that bad. This is a big deal. 10-year note is up 6 ticks, 631,000 contracts. That's saying it wants to get down. The 10-year note, folks, trades like 1 million contracts or 1.2 million a day. Okay, this bottom line was going into yesterday's. Yesterday we did 1 million. The prior day we did 1.1. There's no buyers here. This is an ABC structure on the way down. 30-year is the same type of setup. 30-year right now got into a higher high. We did 146,000 contracts. That's half the contract value. There's no buyers. This is an ABC structure on the way down. And let's go to King Dollar. So you had all this movement going on, and King Dollar wasn't even strong. All King Dollar actually did was reject lower price once again. What we had is that King Dollar's trading at $95.40. We had rejected lower price yesterday, trading sideways. This is building cause, first off, to get up and over the swing point of the August 31st, which is 96.21. This wants to go to the swing point of 97.61, which is the July 25th high. This is Tom O'Brien. This is TFNN. You stay right there, folks. We're coming right back. Dow's down 100, Nasdaq's down 26, S&P's are down 8. We're going to be right back.